Today on Retro Every Day, we're going to go over everything wrong with our brand new Nissan 300ZX.
That's right, Freddie, because this car looks like shit.
So here he is in all his glory, Earl Leaker 2.0. This is a 1990 300ZX two-seater, and if you saw our last episode, we went over a little bit of the interior and the engine bay, but this time we're taking it on the lift to see what we're working with underneath. And is that a new watch you got there, Andrew?
Oh, yeah, it is. It's a Vincero. It's actually today's sponsor.
We had a sponsor and you weren't going to say anything?
Well, yeah, when the right time came.
It's pretty nice.
Yeah, it's really nice, actually.
I mean, since I'm in front of the camera, you can probably let me...
Yeah, no, they sent me the watch, so...
I think I should have it. Give me the watch.
No, it's my watch.
Give me the watch.
Yeah, no, but okay, listen, man.
Give me the watch.
Let's not do anything hasty here, man.
Dude.
It's just
give me the...
Vincero creates bold, uncompromising timepieces at a fair price. Every caseback has a piece of genuine Italian marble and is engraved with Vini Vidi Vici. I came, I saw, I conquered. A daily reminder to be relentless and never settle for anything less than greatness. These designs are not generic or minimal. Stay classy, but challenge convention. Use the code WRENCH at checkout for 15% off your entire order.
If you're anything like us, you love getting the biggest bang for your buck. And if you've been intimidated to get into the watch game, Vincero is your in.
Dude, you didn't have to hit me that hard.
Sorry, I didn't mean to clock you so hard. You know, catch these hands a second time, you know what I mean? So make sure you check out the link in the description below. You guys are gonna love these watches. Seriously, check out the collections right now.
Vincero, live your legacy.
All right, man, you ready to get this thing on the lift?
Yeah, man, go ahead and just push it.
See, here's the thing.
No, I'm serious. Like,
Yeah,
push
no.
it. It doesn't run.
Here's the thing. I'm allergic to manual labor, so we're gonna try and start it.
Okay.
We didn't try this when we bought the car.
That is true. We did not try
We're
this.
smart people.
Yes.
But we're gonna try it now, here
Okay.
in our shop.
Okay.
Is the key in the...
The key's in the ignition.
All right, keys in the... I'm gonna smell. All right.
Oh, does that smell good? I can smell it from here.
I'm not breathing.
Okay. How are you talking if you're not breathing? That's weird.
I think the car's in neutral. Is that neutral?
I think so.
Okay,
That's
good.
Is that
Good.
going to get us demonetized? Okay. Does not seem to start.
Wait. Remember the part where this car don't have a battery? Do you remember that part?
It does have a battery though.
Oh.
Pop the hood. Pop the hood.
All right.
Having some trouble there?
Slightly.
If I can get this open in 2 seconds, will you give me that watch?
No.
Okay. Let's see. It's right here. Hold on. Is this broken? I think it's. Oh, okay. Found something. Oh, there
okay.
we go. That was 2 seconds.
Yeah, nah,
That
it wasn't.
was 2 seconds. Give me the watch, dude.
Nope.
We have a battery. That is a battery, my friend, and it looks like it just needs something to be connected there. What's that? Can you name that part?
That is a negative terminal.
Yeah. Okay. So just connect that real quick, and we'll get this thing started.
Yeah, dude, let's do this thing. I'm ready. All right, let's do this thing.
All right, dude. Hit it. Hit it. Get in the car.
Yes, sir. There's a light that says security that's flashing. What does that mean?
Well, that just shows you that no matter what, we always have our personal security. I don't know what that means.
Thanks to Nissan for that.
Yes.
Okay. Ready?
Yep. Okay, I got an idea. Okay, crappy battery box is on there, and hopefully it doesn't blow up. Andrew, do the honors.
Aye, aye, Captain. A neutral check, I guess.
Yep.
Here we go.
All right, that didn't work, so I took out the battery, and I found something. Hey, Andrew, you want to check something out?
Yeah, man, I love checking stuff out.
I'm not sure you're gonna like this. Hey, remember our very clean, rust-free example of a 300ZX?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, it might not be so clean and rust-free. Take a look down there.
I mean, it's pretty JDM, really.
That's, I can see a lot wrong with this. So I think we're gonna have to take that out of Earl and put it in here.
Into Earl?
Into Earl. Earl's going into himself. That does not sound right.
So anyway, how are we going to get this thing started?
I don't know. I think I need a new battery terminal, and I don't have any right now, so I think we're going to have to push it.
Okay.
Okay.
I was really excited.
You push it.
We push it.
You push it. I'm holding the camera.
We push it. You put the camera on the tripod.
Okay, new idea. We should do something that you should never, ever, ever do, but we're doing it anyway.
Yeah, it'll be fine.
Okay, try it.
Okay, you ready?
Yep.
Here we go. Firing. Come on, baby.
Oh,
Come on.
Almost. Turn it off. Okay. That sounds almost like an engine that wants to turn over.
It does.
So it could also be the fact that these hoses are not connected, and there might be a MAF somewhere in here. You want to get this car started?
I mean,
I don't really care, but do you kind of want to? I kind of want to do it.
okay, so here's the thing. If we get this car started, we then have...
Hold on, let me just turn this off right here. Okay, continue.
If we get this car started, we have two running motors. We have a running VG that we could put into something.
Yeah. You want to put it in your Ford Focus?
No, but we could put it in something.
Okay. There's quite a strong smell
Of gas.
Of fuel right here.
Yeah.
It's becoming quite alarming.
Yeah. Should I try starting it again?
Maybe not.
Are you sure?
I think we should get it on the lift, and we'll see what we got, because there's a lot wrong with this engine. I can tell already.
All right, you
let's
ready?
Do it.
Go, go, go.
It's a lot heavier than I remember.
Yeah, I know. It's a 90s sports car, dude.
Dude, are you sure you're pushing it?
Yeah, dude. I'm pushing it real hard.
Is this tire flat or something?
Probably, dude.
Ooh. God, this thing is heavy.
Yeah, it really is, man. This is a fat sports car, dude.
All right, I think we're almost there.
Looks good to me, man.
That's hard. Okay.
Right about there.
All right. All right.
Bad boy ain't going nowhere.
That ain't going nowhere. All right, Andrew, we're underneath the car. Do you know what we're looking at?
Absolutely. Check out these rusty intakes. Boy, oh boy, the engine motor air is probably real rusty. Just kidding. Guys, close-up look. These exhaust tips are booger welded to the tow hooks.
Yeah, I don't think Tony would approve of this very much.
Dude, he would have a field day with this car. We should talk to him.
Yeah, we should.
We should. About 1 foot in. Anyway, about 1.5 feet in, check out these super dank, bro. They're custom exhaust hangers. They're, I think that's frame wire. You used to hang up pictures.
Yeah, it's
But
wow.
these are keeping up a different masterpiece.
Oh, what do we got here?
A few inches down, we have some really rusty flex pipe.
Yeah, I don't.
With more sugar boogers. Really good stuff here. But let's move back a few inches to right here. This is really important. Guys, that is a limited slip differential.
Ooh!
We are going to light some tires and light some fires.
Actually, is it limited slip or a welded differential? Because
no, it's a limited slip.
Let's test this out.
Let's test it.
I'm gonna hold this.
Okay, I'm gonna move the tire backwards.
Yeah.
Ready?
I'm holding, and you're
that
moving.
is a limited slip
That's
differential.
limited slip, baby. Woo!
Yes, yes.
All right, that's awesome.
When I worked at Injuku, these were really popular aftermarket mods because they're LSDs and it's good for drifting.
I've never owned a car with an LSD, well, other than some of the stuff over there, but okay, it's fine.
So the next stop on the quality train is this right here, a Thrush muffler. This is maybe 40 or 50 bucks from your local auto parts store.
It doesn't look that bad.
I would know because listen, I had one on my PT Cruiser.
On your what?
On my PT Cruiser.
Where's your PT Cruiser?
Hopefully in the garbage.
Okay.
Where this car should be, but we're gonna
That is not fair. First of all,
listen.
let me.
Listen, Earl knows what he is. We know what Earl is. There's no reason to hide it.
Well, Earl's not really hiding anything. Can you take a look at this? All this stuff, it's not really in bad shape at all.
It's really not.
There's no rust at all. This is just, just kind of old Japanese car fare. It's not bad. Usually, you'd see a lot of rust in these panels. You'd see a lot of rust around here, but there's nothing here. And for this car being 30 years old, I think we made out pretty well.
We did big time. Did we make out?
Can we cut this?
We have a bit of an issue here. It's only a bit if we decide to use this VG for something, but we definitely have a leak out of the rear main seal.
Okay, so that's right here. That's between the engine and transmission. That's actually not that bad because if we take out this engine, we're going to be taking off the transmission, and we can get to that real quick.
Yeah, you're right. You're right.
Okay, so you see anything else that needs a repairing?
A little bit of surface rust on the frame here, but not too much.
That's not too bad.
Ooh, we got some moistness right here.
Ooh, that's a moist boy right there. Okay, so that's actually not horrible. There's a bit of rust right up there, and it's not looking very good. It's definitely repairable. We're gonna have to graft something on from Earl 1.0. But that is the worst of it. Now, if you come around here, the bumper's kind of scraped up, but it hasn't had any accidents. It looks like the frame is all intact. Hasn't had any shunts, and honestly, it's a really good car. You can put that light down.
So now that we know what we're working with, Freddie, what do you think we should do to this thing?
I'm really excited. So here's what I think we should do. We should put a huge front mount in here. We should put some turbos in the back. We should get some straight pipes down the middle. I know it doesn't really make sense, but we should get like a dog box that goes up here and like a huge
Freddie, reel it in.
Okay.
Reel it in. Tell you what, those are good ideas. You're a brave little boy. But let's put it up to the audience. Guys, in the comment section below, throw some ideas out. What kind of stuff do you want to see us do to this car? Engine mods, body mods, interior mods. Let us know what you want to see. We are really excited to work on this thing. We might need your help.
Can we do the stuff that I wanted to do? So, dude, how was it?
How was what?
You doing one of these videos on your own for the first time?
I've done every Focus video on this channel by myself. Guys, if you want to send us an email, feel free. iwrencheveryday@gmail.com. We read every email we get. And also follow us on Instagram @wrencheveryday.
And make sure to subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell because we love sharing this stuff with you. And we also have a Patreon. Every little bit helps, and it helps us get Earl Leaker 2.0 off the ground and running. So link will be in the description below for that. But how do we usually end this stuff?
When you got a car and you have some wrenches, you get on, you go ahead and you just sometimes you gotta.
Oh, good job.
You gotta.
Yeah, you're just doing a great job.
Wrench.